We are going to take the helicopter and fly to the beautiful coast of Croatia. And
I think will be quite nice. Will be my second time for me in an helicopter.
And then we will sail, and then we will race, and yeah, it's going to be a good weekend.
Let's go!
We are here in Vodice today for a pre-event. The WRC Croatia Rally would like to promote Croatia as much as possible, so we want to compare the racing cars, and we brought a couple of drivers from P1 to see the difference between a racing boat and racing cars. I hope everybody will enjoy it.
Today we're going to sail with stars of WRC on these two beautiful boats. They showed us they are great on tarmac and gravel, and today we will try their skills on the sea.
Dobar dan, dečki!
Dobar dan!
Dobar dan! Viliam, drago mi je.
I enjoyed meeting both brothers, the Fantela brothers, which were really kind to us and give us a good introduction and what sailing is about.
Okay, did you sail before?
No,
Never?
never.
Your job is scarier than this one, so don't worry.
Okay.
When you feel the pressure is going up, you pull.
I pull.
Pull. But when we go up in, when you feel the pressure, you push.
Okay.
Now feel, and now pull. Pull, pull, yes. More, pull, 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 pull. Easing, easing, easing. Good job, good job. Ready for a jive? 3, 2, 1, go.
Profesionalci top. Mislim, upravljaju s brodom, ono, ko kad mi uzmemo sendvič idemo pojesti. Evo tako, to je njima brod, znači dečki znaju šta rade.
To Jura, još. Daj mi ovo. Kako si jak? Može, ćemo. Ajmo gindat, malo, ajmo gindat.
For sure, the speed is not as high as our speed, but for sure they play a lot more with the nature. I would say as I said, they can read the sea and see where the wind is coming over the sea. So it was really interesting to see that sometimes you have downtown and then they are catching the wind after and etc. So it's different, but I think the thing is a little bit similar. Woo-hoo!
It was really great today. We had beautiful conditions, strong bura, which is something that we really needed to show these guys what is speed in sailing. So I really feel that they felt this sensation that we feel in the strong breeze. They were really good.
Okay, you hold it. That's really good, huh? That's really cool.
Your first time?
Yeah, first time. On a big one. And now it's like...
After 10-15 minutes they could feel the what is needed, how to steer the boat through the wind and waves.
We were enjoying a lot, and it was really, really nice. Honestly, the vibes with the boat when we are on the side and for a long time was really, really cool.
Definitely hungry for more.
Now we are hoping for a call that we go to sit in the car.